let's do a quick revision of that. In the year 2009, that was the first year, three businesses were added in the list. The first one was cold chain facility for fish produce, meat produce, and agro produce. The second business was your warehousing business for agro produce, right? The third was setting up and operating pipeline business for petroleum oil and natural gases. These were the first three businesses. After that, in the budget of 2010, again three items came in the list. The first one was building and operating hotels which are at least 2 stars or above, 2, 3, 5, 7, any stars. It should be above 2 stars, right? The second business was hospital business having at least 100 beds. And the last one was housing project under a slum redevelopment housing scheme. After that, in the year of 2011's budget, again two items were added. The first one was production of fertilizers in India, and the second one was housing project under affordable housing scheme. Right. After that, in the budget of 2012, again three things were added. The first one was about honeybee, so that was the business of beekeeping and production of bee honey and beeswax. The last one was warehousing for sugar, and the middle one was Adani, right? So वो क्या था? That was setting up of container depot and container freight station, right? After that, in the year 2014, remember it is 2014, again two things were added in the list. The first one was establishing slurry pipeline for transportation of iron ores. आयरन ओर्स को यहाँ से वहाँ ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए वट एवर पाइपलाइन इज नीडेड, दैट इज नोन एज योर स्लरी पाइपलाइन. So establishing of slurry pipeline for transporting iron ores from one place to another, that business was added in the list of specified businesses. After that, in the same year, that is 2014, again another thing came, right? जो कि which is mostly used in your electric vehicles, right? EV industry में there is a huge shortage of this thing, right? Try to remember it like that. That is your semiconductor, right? So what was the business? Setting up of semiconductor wafers fabrication manufacturing unit. Setting up of semiconductor wafer is one word, like semiconductor wafer is the name of the product, fabrication is the name of the process, and then manufacturing unit. So setting up of semiconductor wafer fabrication manufacturing unit, right? And after that, in the year 2017, again another business was introduced, which was your new infrastructure facility, right? New infrastructure facility. So in the last class, we had studied only up to this particular thing.